Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can speed your computer by using this simple trick. I'm going to be showing you this simple trick you can be using to speed on your laptop. Maybe you have a laptop and it sometimes crashes, sometimes works slowly, and you can sometimes feel like your computer is not still working. And also you sometimes feel like your computer cannot be able to help you or finalize a given task. It depends on how to operate, clashes, it loads, it takes sometimes to load without finalizing. So I'm going to be showing you this trick, and also follow this trick. Watch this video to the end. You will learn more how you can be able to fix this on your computer. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer as usual. What you're gonna be doing is to come to our computer, and what we have to do, we have to come here to our computer. We're gonna be pressing this simple key, which is home plus L. You're gonna press home plus L on your computer, and also after pressing home plus L, you find the key on your computer which is called percentage. You're gonna be typing percentage, percentage. So after typing percentage, you're gonna be accessing this folder. As you can see, you're gonna be typing this small letters. Yes, the percentage. This is the folder I'm gonna be accessing. And also what I have to do, I have to click OK. After clicking OK, I'm gonna be accessing this folder. And as you can see, this folder contains different kind of files. And these files which are running on my computer, those are all the files which are necessary. You can see some files are from 10th July, and I'm doing this video on 20th July, which means they have been stored there up to around 10 days ago. You can see I have some files for 10th of July, I have some of the 17th of July. These are the files which are coming and stored there, and also they are useless. What I have to do, I have to come here and select all. After selecting all, I'm gonna be clicking on delete. That means I'm gonna be deleting all these files, and these files are gonna be deleted. You can see they have even occupied more space, which are around 1.15 GB storage, and also the storage which is gonna be coming back. You can be deleting this safely, and also once you delete them, you can see they are recycling the items from tab folder. Also, after recycling this folder, I have to go back and delete another files from these tab files. So you will notice that some files are not deleted, like this one. You can see I have to click on this one and skip, because this one might be running on your computer. That is the reason why it is not deleted. And also it might not be deleted because it is in use. They will tell you that some files are not deleted because they are in use, and so they will tell you that it cannot be deleted because maybe it is open somewhere. You can be trying to close it and delete it. As you can see, I'm remaining with a few files, but this is safe to delete now. So what you have to do now, you have to come back and place window L again, and also you have to remove this percentage. As you can see, I have to remove the percentage again. Then I click tab. It's gonna be also asking me permission. I have to continue, and also after continuing, I have also another files in this tab folder. As you can see, I have these windows. Before I had the users, and I have this tab folder, but I have this windows tab. Now I'm gonna be deleting these files in this tab folder. These are stuck on the windows. As you can see, I'm also restoring these files. And also after you recycle these files, you can see do this to the have to skip, and also I remain this important file. As you can see, I'm deleted all these files on my computer, and now my computer is ready to work fine. So another section, another step that you can use to be managing this one is to come into the taskbar and also choose the task manager. So you have to right click on taskbar. Now click on task manager. After the task manager, you can see I have a lot of applications which are running in my computer and some are not in use. You can see I have a top screen recorder at the moment, but I'm using it. I have Task Manager, which is the one I opened it. I have Windows Explorer. You can also feel free to end a task. What you do is to click on Windows. You can see you click on click on it, and also you will see the option you can see here if it is working or if it has already closed. But now it is consuming your memory. You can see it is now loading 0.2%. And also if you come here below and see, for instance, this one is loading 0.2%, this one is loading 0.4% of the CPU. You can see the overall CPU is around 60% and 50%, sometimes 49, sometimes 43, but this is caused by different applications which are loading into your computer. What you do is come here and see the application which is loading or which is consuming high memory in your computer, and also you can be clicking on it and edit the task if you see that you no longer need it. So, but as you see, I have this one because I'm using it to record. I cannot end it. Let's see, for instance, this one drive and the task. You can see it is already now ends. If I scroll down even, you can see this one is taking 4.8%. You can also be able to click on it and end the task if you see that is not in use. Mostly the open application will be displaying here at the top, but for me, I don't have any app except this one which is open, which I can be able to end. This one, it also I can click on it because it was already running before, but you don't need to also to restart it because it's no longer needed. However, you can see this one is paused, and you can see the other applications here which are now running. So depends on the user application, depends on the unuseful of the application. You can also be deciding to stop it or to end it to ensure that what you do is going to be fastening your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it to your friends, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section.